Okay, so this job is to show you how to change this pipe to a quick release one, which comes from the pump in 6mm, like this one. This is one I've done. This is the delivery one, I believe. But this one, which goes to, I think it's the fuel pressure regulator there, is a 10mm pipe. So what I'm going to use is this 10mm to 6mm reducer, and then I can then fit in the 6mm quick release to go straight back to the tank. So that's what I'm going to do. So bear with me. So I've now pulled out the 10mm, which I should hold it that way, the 10mm fitting. So you can see obviously 10mm and 6mm, it's a big difference. So if I was to put the 6mm in there, it's gonna not really work. So what I have got is a 10mm that's going to go in there like so, and then I can, if I want to be Mr. Tight Ass, I can use the original clip, and then I can put my 6mm on here like so. I'm not going to do the 6mm bit because I'm waiting for new pipe, but anyway, your 6mm bit, then your quick release, and then to the nipple on the tank. Job done. Just thought I'd share that. A lot of people, well, me, I just thought it was all 6mm, so I just thought I'd make it crystal clear on this particular bike, which I assume they're all the same. It definitely isn't. It's a 10, so you need a 10 to 6mm reducer, and then 2 of the 6mm quick releases, which are about £20 for 2 on eBay, and the brass fitting was about £3 on eBay. Then you'll need the clips, or maybe you won't need the clips if you're going to use the old clips, but I just thought I'd share that. So I'll just finish that part off. So I just crunched the old clip back on. These are the clips that come in the kit. The kit is only about £20 and it has assorted single-eared clips, but like I say, I was lucky. So that is in there now, nice and tight, not going to move. So I need to put the 6mm tube on here. Same again, I can then connect the quick release here. Needs to feed back through here, this side of the bike, through the gap here, which will then be on the right hand side of the bike where this female part is, and it'll come up here, and then your tank connectors are there. So I hope that helps. Beware the 10mm pipe. So just to show you, these are the 2 connectors I took off. These are the 2, this is the 6mm, we'll call it, straight through. This was the 6 till 10mm, so you can see it's the same this side, but this side where it went into 10, it's different. If I use if I can unclick this and hold it at the same time, bear with me. There you go. So you can see it's bigger here and here, but it will fit in. There you go. It will fit in. So they are the same size internally. So it'll fit in any of the other. These are universal. They'll swap over. So basically it's 6 till 10. I found I could buy plastic 6 to 10s, but not a metal. So that's why I've done what I've done, and I used the reducer, which obviously is far less likely to break or snap. And this is inside the other part of the plier kit. So you get these clips. They're all marked up, and that's what they look like. And you pop the plier on both of these sides here and just squeeze, and it self latches and tightens up. So hope that helps. If you haven't done it to your Caponord, do it, because there's plenty online that are a big molten ball of metal and plastic, and for the sake of, well, what we're looking, £20 plus, it's a cheaper price to pay. Thank you.